morning traders. Mzansi over here. Please be sure to subscribe or like for my followers, just so that you do not miss any updates or charts that we post online. All right, just a bit of a recap on what price has done since we last posted. As we can see, price managed to rally all the way up to our 1518 handle, break a bit higher, retest that 1527 handle that we had marked out before coming back lower. Now we bought dips yesterday, and we managed to get in on the price action and rally on with price as it kept on tracking higher. Price did sort of get to our 1527 handle, didn't really break it, but I posted on the sides for the guys where I ended up going in, and it was around that 1526 handle. A couple of hours later, we can see prices steadily making its way back to the 1518.43 level. Now I've taken the liberty to post today's intraday levels on the forums. Check us out on metalsmine.com and energyexchange.com. Some of our intraday levels have been posted there. I won't be putting those levels specifically onto these videos, otherwise the charts are just going to have a bit of clutter. So the aim of this video will just to do a bit of a market recap, market review, but I will still mention those levels on this video. When we look at the H1 chart, we can see price has sort of made a new high there. Bit of a left shoulder here, if you may call it. We're looking at price probably making a new shoulder, a right hand shoulder, at these current levels, dipping lower, testing 1518.31. These are our weekly levels, so these will remain on our charts throughout the rest of the week, just as a guiding principle. But as I mentioned, we will be posting the intraday levels on a daily basis on the sites. So we can see how price has sort of been edging lower after breaking higher. So this handle over here, the 1521.23 handle, price dipped back, made another rally, failed to break higher. It broke this level, and now we're retesting it over here. So our outlook for today is actually to try and buy into, we won't be buying this H1 setup as mentioned yesterday. We will be looking at price getting lower towards our 1510.58, 1514.92 handles. So that sort of fits in well with what we see price currently doing, with a bit of a right shoulder forming. These are all speculative, but that's what we would like to see before we get into any positions. So we're going to wait and see if price can push a bit lower into this handle, and then we start buying dips again, looking for the highs of our intraday. Price is currently at this 1521.26 handle. Some of our upside levels for Tuesday are 1525.7, 1529.67, 1537.85, and the high at 1540. That comes in somewhere about there. And then if price does really rally on, 1544.72. Our levels towards the downside, we are looking at 1519.27, so it's a couple of pips away from yesterday's upside target. And then after that, we've got 1514.72, which is somewhere around here. That should expose 1512, 1508, and then bringing in our lows around that 1502.43. That's around there, and 1501.30. and any serious dip, we're thinking it will be capped around this 15.97, 15.98 handle. Let's quickly have a look at natural gas. All right, natural gas, let's first do this over here. Natural gas. All right, so yesterday we mentioned how this handle, the 24.961 handle, was a key area. Now we can see what price has sort of done when it got there. Like we mentioned, it failed to break lower, so we had a bit of a buy order go in there. As soon as the buy order met our sell area that we had identified here, as you can see, we ended up getting in short on this. So we've currently got a position short on this that's running. Nothing much to really say about this pair at the moment. We're looking for our targets around this 2.427, 2.44. We'll keep that running throughout the rest of the week and see how it goes. Just to bring back our weekly levels of interest, we can see how yes, the target is a couple of pips away, but we wouldn't be surprised to see price actually retest this 2.5763 handle before actually coming lower. But there's a bit of a weekly trade that we're looking at, so we'll keep on holding on to it and seeing how price behaves throughout the rest of the week. Like I said, guys, for our intraday levels, we just posted some levels that we're looking at with interest for Tuesday. We're going to use those levels in conjunction with our weekly levels that we posted on Sunday, so be sure to check those out on the sites, on the forums. Again, all of this has been done free of charge. Let's all make money. Green pips to everybody. This has been XAUUSD. Cheers.